Pluralsight review, honest user experience, features and pricing breakdown. When it comes to online learning, not all platforms are created equal. Pluralsight is known for its professional tech courses, but is it really worth your time and money in 2025? I decided to test it myself, and here's my honest review with everything you need to know about its features, content and pricing. Most people think Pluralsight is just for coders, but the surprising truth is that it covers far more, from software development into cybersecurity, data analysis, and even project management. The platform is designed for professionals who want to upgrade their skills fast, not just hobbyists. The interface is clean and intuitive. After signing up, you're prompted to take a skill assessment, a short test that measures your current knowledge and recommends a personalized learning path. I found this feature incredibly helpful, because it skips the basics and focuses on areas that actually need improvement. The video lessons are concise and well produced, taught by industry experts who clearly know their stuff. You can also practice with hands-on labs and real coding exercises, which makes the learning experience much more practical. Pricing starts around per month for the standard plan or for premium, which includes interactive labs and certification prep. While it's not the cheapest option, the quality justifies the cost, especially if you're using it for professional development or work-related upskilling. One downside: Pluralsight isn't ideal for total beginners. The content assumes you already have some foundation in tech, so if you're starting from zero, it might feel overwhelming. Overall, Pluralsight delivers serious value for those looking to advance in tech or stay current with evolving tools. It's structured, reliable, and trusted by companies like Google and Adobe for a reason. If you're serious about your career growth, Pluralsight is absolutely worth considering.